what could be in the box? Well, if you guessed a splash guard for a 2015 between 2024 Ford F-150, congratulations, you're right. So Micnce was nice enough to send me what I just said was in the box. Apologies for my attire, but take a look at what is in the box. Very first thing, some gloves, because changing out car stuff is not clean, so that's good to have. I'm gonna bring this closer for a little bit of an easier time on my end, and we'll pull this out just like that. You know what, I'm gonna pause this so I don't look so dumb. Oh, I paused it and there it is. So yeah, here's the splash guard out by itself. It came with these on the tube ends, so it's not just, you know, bouncing around in a box. So there's one of the sides. I mean, I don't know which is the underside because I'm not a car guy, but I mean, one of them is. The other thing that came with it is this this bag. So I'll go over with the contents just so you can be sure. The listing does show nuts and bolts, and if you're expecting something different, the listing is right. It is just kind of nuts and bolts. So, throw the trash aside, we got a bolt, a washer, clip, if you're wanting, another clip, bolt, basically kind of everything I just said, but more of. So, important stuff for, you know, working with your splash guard. So there's not much more I can really say. There might be a video, I should have checked before, but there's definitely help online on how to get this properly fitted. And if you're needing a new splash guard for your Ford F-150, it is nice and metal, so don't worry if it's plastic or rubber, because it's metal. I'm not a car person, but good quality, I will say. It does feel like a good solid metal part from my handling of it. And don't forget about my you know, mechanic trail mix and gloves. I hope that trail mix comment wasn't offensive, but yeah, pick one up if you want a shield guard for your Ford F-150.